Want to unlock the hidden videos your favorite YouTube creators are posting? Here's exactly how to access and watch members-only content in just a few seconds. First, open the YouTube app or head to youtube.com. Search for the creator you want to watch. Let's say for this example, it's Linus Tech Tips. Hit view channel. To unlock the exclusive content, you first need to become a channel member. Look for the join button located directly next to the subscribe button and tap it. A screen will pop up showing you monthly costs and the exact VIP perks you get, like behind the scene videos, custom emojis, and loyalty badges. Tap join membership one more time by selecting what level of membership you want, and confirm your payment through the App Store or Google Play. Now that you're officially a member, where do you find the hidden videos? You have two easy ways to spot them. Method 1, go to the creator's regular videos tab, look for thumbnails with a small green circle and a star in the center. Or method 2, swipe over the dedicated membership tab on their channel and find them there. If this quick guide helped you unlock your favorite content, hit that like button, subscribe for more fast tutorials, and let me know in the comments which channel you're joining first.